Mastering English Idioms, No One's Onions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, no one's onions. Have you ever heard someone say this and wondered what onions have to do with knowledge? Well, you're in the right place. Let's peel back the layers of this idiom together and discover its meaning and origins. Whether you're an English language learner or just love exploring idioms, this video is for you. No one's onions is a quirky, old-fashioned British idiom that means to be very knowledgeable or skilled in a particular area. When someone says they know their onions, they're not talking about their cooking skills. Unless they're a chef, perhaps. Instead, they're expressing confidence in their expertise or proficiency in a specific field. It's a way of saying someone really knows what they're doing or talking about. The phrase, no one's onions, first appeared in the early 20th century. While its exact origins are a bit murky, it's generally believed to have come from British slang. The term, onions, may have been used as a playful way to refer to one's business, or one's specialty. Some theories suggest that it could have been derived from the name of a knowledgeable person or from a rhyming slang, but these are more speculative. Using no one's onions in conversation or writing can add a touch of whimsy or old-time charm. It's perfect for situations where you want to compliment someone's expertise or acknowledge their skills. For example, you should ask Julia about your car's engine. She really knows her onions when it comes to mechanics. I trust his advice on vintage wines. He knows his onions. Remember, while it's a fun expression, it's more commonly used in British English and might be less familiar to speakers of other varieties of English. And there you have it, a closer look at the idiom, no one's onions. We hope you found this exploration both informative and enjoyable. Idioms like this one add color and personality to the English language, making it richer and more vibrant. Don't forget to practice using no one's onions in your conversations or writings to show off your knowledge of English idioms. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll continue to explore the fascinating aspects of the English language.